Hi YouTube, thanks for joining me again. I just thought I'd point out a little something I found the other day. England's having an emergency alert date, so your phone goes up for the radio, telly, whatever it is. This is the 23rd of April, and 234 plus, which gives us 234. 234 plus 432 is 666. This is also 3 months and 22 days into the year. Of course, we've done this before. 322 plus 223 plus 232, 777. And that's 112 days into the year as well, which, of course, 112 plus 211 plus 121 is 444. It's all very significant for these people. Obviously, these things are going to be ramping up, and this is coming up more and more. So I just thought I'd throw that one in there. Thanks for watching. I've got some more coming up soon. But take care. Have a wonderful day.